Cycle. I have defined this with the help of diagrammatic representation in the video which I have given before this. The ovaries usually release an ovum into the fallopian tubes, means the ovaries are going to release the ovum in the once in 28 days, means every month it has to be a duration of 28 days. It is going to release an ovum. This process called ovulation. Okay, this process called ovulation, which is followed by thickening of uterine walls so that the uterus prepare to receive nourish the embryo. Means the walls during this process, the wall of the uterus is going to thicken. It is going to get somewhat thickened so that it can receive nourishment. It can give nourishment to the embryo. But if the fertilization is going to happen, then it is going to nourish. Now, if it is not going to, if there's not going to be any intercourse, if there's not going to be any male genital sex cell inside, then there is no use of this uterine wall to get thickened. And what is going to be nourished if there is no male genital sex cell going to fuse? So what happens? The nutrient wall receives an increased supply of blood for this purpose. This is going to thicken just because it is preparing itself for the intercourse. It is preparing itself for to receive the sperm cell. But if it is not going to get the sperm cell, what happens? If the ovum is not fertilized, it is thrown out through the vagina together with the lining of the uterus and the blood. It is coming out in the form of the blood. This process called menstruation. The whole process of ovulation, thickening of uterine lining, and menstruation is called menstrual cycle. This whole cycle is going to be called as menstrual cycle. It is usually of 28 days. The cycle is usually of 28 days. First, it is going to, the ovary is going to, the ovary from both the oviduct, one of the ovary from both the oviduct every 28 month is going to come out. 28 days in a month is going to come out. Then it is going to the uterine walls are going to get thickened due to the rich supply of blood. When it is not the uterine wall is not going to get the sperm for the intercourse, what will happen? This ovum which is being released will come out in the form of blood, while rupturing the uterine lining in the form of blood. Whole thing will come out. This cycle is called menstrual cycle. It is usually 28 days cycle. Menstruation stops when a woman is around 40 to 40, 45 to 50. It's called menopause. Menopause is the time when the female is going to have a stoppage in her this menstrual cycle. No bleeding is going to come out. This is called menopause.